Ta-da! Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Thing. And here we have the Nubia Neo3GT 5G edition. Hey guys, this is a very nice and distinctive design smartphone to market, and it's a Neo 03 GT gaming phone, and also it's an AI phone. Remote games, the slogan of Nubia, and also the Red Magic also use this slogan. So this time we have the Nubia Neo3 GT 5G Electro Yellow and 24 RAM and 256 GB RAM edition. Today we will have a very quick unboxing video about this device, and also we will talk the basic information about the device, and also we check the camera about the device. So next, let's open it. Let's check what inside, because I really like the maker style designed device from Nubia. After we open the box, the phone is just here, and under the smartphone there's other stuff we can check one by one. So here under the smartphone, and there is the plastic bag. And under the plastic bag, we can find the other accessories like the cable. This is a charger and the red color cable. So first let's go to the this is plastic, soft plastic bag. The stuff inside this. So this is paper, and let's turn around. We can check. It also is a quick start about Nubia Neo3 GT, and we can find it's a precision light and NFC to indicate the special edition about device, and also the Type-C charging, and yes, quick start guide. You can scan the QR code as well. So this is the quick start guide, and also this is the the warranty card from Nubia, and this is a SIM card ejector. So nothing special, and this is also a special SIM card ejector, not like the normal one. And this is the case, just transparent one, and it's a bit center polishing, but it's not it's not premium, just the normal design, and middle I think from the very normal. And here's the red cable they provide. It's a Type-C to Type-C cable, and after this time besides the distinct design, the battery this time is also a big feature. It's powered by a 6000 mAh big battery with 80 watt fast charging. This is the charger, black charger, 80 watt fast charger. Travel charger. Let's put it back, and so this all stuff inside the box. And next, I think we'll check the highlight, the smartphone. Let's put it back and close it. And here's today's main actor, Nubia Neo3 5G, and as we can see from the smartphone protector, we can find the main features already listed here. We check it one by one. So first, the gaming processor for Unisoc T9100 processor, and super endurance as I mentioned, and the VC cooling system, and ultimate control. So it's get a shoulder for this gaming device, and also the display, and also the big memory. Let's talk it one by one, and let's get the phone from the box, out of the box. And whoa, finally distinctive design phone is here, and this is the breeze light. It looks so cool. The mecha design, the yellow color is so attractive. I think we will go outside and check more details about device. And now it's the front side, and the UI, the wallpapers also use the mecha design language. Very nice. Let's go to the next part. So guys, now we go outside and we can check more details of the device. So first, as we can see, the breathing light, I really like it, and also the camera zone, they used a special shape, not like the normal circle one. And here is the air trigger, the shoulder control for the gaming performance. It's very nice. And also the red color power button. And for the back panel, it's a shining glass with print with Neo and the model name and the slogan, and also the car element printed, and it looks cool. And for the screen, this time they use the 6.8-inch LED screen. It's about 120 Hz refresh rate, and it's a straight screen, and the peak brightness reaches to 1300 nit. Even though in sunshine, you can also play the Honor Kings. No flash screen. Okay, so we can go to settings to check more information specification about the device. First, the processor, the Unisoc T9100 processor is a 6nm EUV producing technology, octa processor, maximum 2.7 GHz, and the GPU uses Mali G57 is reached to 510,000. For this device, is also powerful Android 15, RAM 12 plus 12, around 256. After 30 minutes, Genshin Impact test is around 55 FPS. For the display, as I mentioned, 6.8-inch LED, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 2160 Hz high frequency PWM brightness. Also, it's an AI powered device, can do translation and 5G communication through this device. And besides this, also you can see it provides some special features for the users to get the record screen, on hand mode, Z-pop, also the screen edge mistouch to adjust the sensitive. Okay. Besides this information, as I mentioned, this is a gaming phone, so it can provide a powerful cooling system. Okay, even the animation of the home paper is a fan. This time they used the 4083 cubic meter vape chamber, and the cooling system can reduce the temperature, reduce 12% compared to the last generation. And also the so for the camera part, 50 megapixel main one and 60 megapixel front selfie camera and 2 megapixel depth camera. Okay, we could take some sample pictures as well, and also have you record a short video to testing the camera performance. Generally speaking, I think this one won't get powerful camera solutions because the main features is focused on the gaming, so I don't expect too much about the camera part. So here's the simple testing of the normal one camera, and here's the video testing as well. This is a zoom performance, maximum 10 times zoom. As I mentioned, this is an AI phone, so for the camera, it's supports AI Super Night, AI Sports Snapshot, and AI HDR, and AI Magic Edit. And also for this device, it's under-display fingerprint supported, just like the Magic, the R device, also use the display fingerprint. This is the biggest features from the Magic and Nubia devices. And also now, let's go to the camera test again. Test some. Take close. Telephoto. Yes. Zoom. So I've also put the sample pictures at the end of the video, so you can check the performance of the camera as well. So as I mentioned, it's not a powerful one for the camera part, but also you can check it. So yes, today's my content. This is my today's content, and I hope you like my video. Let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here, guys. Bye bye. Okay, you can enjoy the video, the rest part of the video.